Hello everyone. Today we talk about new Analyst Agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Assume you need insights from multiple Excel files and documents like CSV and TSV files. Without data wrangling skills, you may waste a lot of time or miss many insights. You are aware that Python coding help you quickly extract key information. So what if you are not a data scientist and not aware of the code? Microsoft Analyst assists you here. It is powered by reasoning and accessible to all, even you are not a data scientist or a coder. It functions as a virtual data scientist for you. So you can see Analyst agent over here. In case it's not visible to you, you need to check for access and deployment. Go to admin, look for agents and check for the access. Apart from this, check for deployment. We have deployed it in our system. If it's not deployed to your system, you have to deploy it first. Click on Get Agents, built by Microsoft. You can see Analyst Agent here. Please notice Frontier in front of Analyst. So Frontier is a kind of preview program for the early access of Microsoft 365 features. On Analyst Agent screen, you can see some starter prompts. You can use these prompts or you can write your own prompts as per your business use case. Let me take this one. What are some quick insights about data from files? As I mentioned, we can use diversified kind of files like Excel files, TSV, CSV, PPT, and doc. In this demonstration, I'm going to use two files. So one is CSV file, other is Excel file. Let me show you first what these files contain. In Excel file, we have sales data of various salesperson for different products and different countries. On the other hand, in CSV file, we have salesperson name, age and gender. Let's come back to Analyst Agent and see how it works. Please notice the Python code it's generating behind the scene. The analyst model built on OpenAI O3 chain of thought architecture. It solves problem by mimicking human analytical thinking. Model can generate and execute code at each step, enhancing incremental information gathering, hypothesis building, error correction, and recovery. So we got the output. At last you can see message, would you like visualization of these insights? Let's try this one. Please notice that gender information is available in CSV file and sales information available in the Excel file. Analysts take time to revert back to us since it is a deep reasoning agent. Now we can see the output and we can further refine output as per our requirement. For example, break down further region wise. Let's try some complex map. For example, heat map please. So you notice that we can have advanced data analysis with the help of analyst, even you are not a data scientist or a coder of Python. If you want to present this output to your team or your senior, you can also prepare PPT from this output. For example, So PPT is ready, which you can modify further as per your requirement. So I trust you able to understand the benefits of Analyst Agent. There is also one more newly launched researcher agent. If you want to know more about this, please refer this video. Thank you.